Well, I wanted to make a video about the stock market. Today is December 12th, 2020, and an observation is that the markets want to stay near what some of us call home base, which is the 20-day period moving average. As you can see, the Dow, there's a reason why some of these stocks are not breaking out, so to speak, that are in the Dow. Here, this line here is your 20-day moving average, right? So the markets do what they call rotation. They're not really focusing on the Dow, but they're just slowly bringing it down to the 20-day. And then what they do, now let me break this out. You see, when it broke out of the 20-day right here back in November 4th, right? They broke up to here, so they want it to level out. That's what they want to do at this point, right? They don't really want to be too far from the 20-day moving average. The market is still a bull market. Let's look at the financial sector. That was the Dow. Here's the financial. See what I mean? Right here, if you focus in, here's your 20-day, and here's a daily candle. It's still bullish, but they want to stay close to the 20-day. When the market went down the other day, a lot of people got worried, but you'll see by the NASDAQ here, what did they do? They brought it down to the 20-day moving average. Okay, it's the buy the dip crowd. If you look at this day here, December 9th, when it came down, what happened? Well, on the 8th, they're too far away from the 20-day moving average. Now, this isn't financial advice, number one, because I'm not a financial advisor, but it's an observation. Okay, on this particular chart on my computer, I only have the 20-day and the VWAP, what they call the VWAP. Here's the spider, the S&P 500, right? Represented by the ETF SPY. See how they're coming down to the 20-day. Now, I believe next week they're going to bounce off the 20-day. You may see a dip Monday, and then the markets could rip. Do I know that for sure? No, I don't. But I see some rotation out there. I'll give you an example. This stock here, or whatever stock, ETF, whatever this is, I can't say for sure. I've just been watching it. See what they did. Here's your 20-day, right? They had a breakout here. The reason I made this line here, it's because it represents this gap here. Gaps in the market, generally speaking, they will come down at some point to fill this gap. But you see where it's at? It was away from the 20-day. Now they're breaking back down through the 20-day, 20-period moving average, right? And I believe at some point they're going to come down to about 63 to fill this particular gap that I showed you here, right? And I think this may be a good stock to buy if it does come down there, although I'm not advising anything. So that's my video. I plan on going back on Facebook and just do stocks, no politics. I will be on Parler and MeWe, and I may post political stuff there. And I'm going to have an Instagram for a place to upload these videos, and a YouTube channel also. Thanks for watching. Hope I wasn't too boring.